Cheers. This Whispering Valley drink is inspired by the rhododendron trail of Sikkim.
Nice.
True beauty is what you feel even before you understand it. And Bombay Sapphire Creative Lab is bringing that to the fore with its drink that will make you pause to admire and immerse yourself in the moment. It's where nature's most strikingly beautiful moments are reimagined, not just as visuals, but as flavors and aromas that you can sip and savor. Each drink is inspired by the striking beauty in nature, be it the crashing waves, the golden sunlight, or the misty mountains. And today I'm going to be joined by the bold, bubbly, and full of surprises Jasmine Bhasin. Let's get to know her beyond the screens. Let's go. Hi Jasmine, welcome to Curly Tales.
I'm very happy to be here.
Yeah, I must say you're very beautiful. And as is your name, क्या मतलब है ये? Was it inspired by the beautiful flower?
I asked my father and he always used to say ki yes, he loves jasmine flowers.
Okay, so tell us about Kota. I haven't been there. Are there any hidden jewels that I must look out for whenever
Definitely. I watch your videos. You
Yeah.
love doing food videos. Kota ki kachori is world famous.
Okay.
Like my mouth is already watering thinking
And I
about
can
these.
see your eyes lit up
Yeah.
as you speak about Kota and the food that you get
Yeah.
there. How did you find your footing here in Mumbai after living in Kota for so long?
It did not happen overnight. It happened gradually. From Kota, I moved to Jaipur to study. I studied there. थोड़ा समझ आया. फिर जयपुर के बाद दिल्ली शिफ्ट हुई. फिर दिल्ली रही 1-1.5 साल. फिर उसके बाद बॉम्बे आई.
So tell me, wherever you moved, would you always be somebody who would look out for food joints, restaurants, bars?
100%. I am somebody who would always look out at food joints, nice places to hang out with friends, bars, coffee joints. I really love exploring. When I just moved to Bombay, that I explored was Trishna in town only for seafood because there
Right.
are amazing, really fancy seafood places.
Yes.
But the flavors, that authenticity of flavors you get at Trishna, you don't find anywhere else. I have an emotional attachment for food.
In your usually packed day, if you had to pause and relish a beautiful moment, what would that be?
The moment I get up, I open my doors. So Kendall, Rambo, Mia, they're just sitting right outside my door that a good morning will happen and we'll go. I just can't miss that moment, okay?
Yeah.
It makes my day incomplete.
Amazing. Let me give you a few choices. I'm
Okay.
going to play this or that game with you. You pick one. Daily soap or reality show?
I think reality show.
Sushi or dim sum?
Oh, dim sums. I love dim sums.
Okay. Solo travel or group trip?
I enjoy my solo travels.
Yeah. Sunset by the beach with a drink or bonfire in the hills with your loved ones?
I need both.
Okay. Beauty you see or beauty you feel?
Beauty, I feel.
Okay, what do you prefer, acting or influencing?
Acting.
Red carpet look or pajama all day?
I love dressing up games, so red carpet look.
Ali cooking for you or you cooking for Ali?
Ali cooking for me because he's definitely an amazing chef.
PDA, public display of affection or being private and personal?
I think being private and personal, that's more of me.
Long drives or lazy Netflix nights?
Long drives.
Raw and real or polished and perfect?
No matter how polished and perfect I try to act, but that raw and realness in me always comes out.
And we've seen that in your reality shows
Yeah.
whenever you've been.
Yes.
Beautiful place or a beautiful moment?
I think a moment, it will be in my heart forever.
Yeah, and if I were to ask you which has been your most beautiful moment, what would it be?
I think it was when my parents saw honeymoon. I think that's the most beautiful sight you want to see in your parents' eyes. What are you making me eat?
We are today going to try a one-of-a-kind drink that is inspired by the beauty of nature. So today we are at Bar Paradox in Mahalakshmi and they've got this beautiful drink which is called Whispering Valley drink. This Whispering Valley drink is inspired by the rhododendron trail of Sikkim and it's a beautiful creation by mixologist Priyanka. It captures the quiet magic of nature, the morning mist and the vibrant blooms of the valley. Sitting here in the heart of Mumbai, you would never guess, but one sip and you are transported to those peaceful mountain trails. Absolutely beautiful. And you know what? These mixologists were actually taken on a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Meghalaya to inspire them to create some stunning nature-inspired drinks. Wow! So this is our drink.
Looks really interesting. So can you please tell me what all flavors are in this?
Grapefruit, some mango ginger, some sawtooth coriander, also known as a wild coriander, very popular in mountains. And yeah, sweet and sour.
I'm sure it will be very nice. Let's try it.
Cheers! Wow, look at this glass. It's almost like a bowl.
Yeah. So beautifully, you know,
Yeah.
these hearts and these stars with the jelly.
It's beautiful.
Nice.
Nice, nice. Have you been to Sikkim?
No, I really want to. A friend of mine went last year and she said it's very beautiful. It's very nice.
Yeah. You know, that's the thing about striking beauty. It doesn't ask for attention. It simply holds it. That's the very essence of Hidden Jewels.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
And my favorite part, food.
Let's begin.
Very nice. And now with the chutney, I'll try it.
Wow. Jasmine, if your personality was an element of striking beauty, what would you be? Would you pick crashing waves, lush forest, or misty mountains?
I think I would be like wild waves of sea.
Wow, that describes you well. And if you could be anywhere right now, which is that one hidden jewel that you would like to strike off your bucket list?
I really want to go to Antarctica.
Really?
Yes. So that is something that I really want to tick off my bucket list, and I know कि मुझे अकेले ही करना पड़ेगा because this is something not everybody will be up for it. Should we try the salad?
Yeah,
I'm really.
let's. So I want to know, just in terms of dressing up, do you like to repeat your clothes? Do you reuse them? Do you make consciously sustainable choices in your everyday life?
I really like to dress up. I have my days. I'm moody. Some days I want to dress up very simple, like a plain Jane. Some days I really like today. I was in a mood to dress up. When you see me on public events, also the clothes, most of the time they're my own.
You don't source.
I do source them for specific events, okay,
Right.
but most of the times I prefer wearing things because I myself I love buying clothes. For me, they're very special to me, and I repeat my clothes loads of times.
I'll tell you something very interesting. All of this that you see here is all upcycled. Kavi Poetry is a label that's committed to sustainability. They in fact upcycle Bombay Sapphire bottles, make them into glasses that are works of art you can drink from.
That's so
that
cool.
you can reuse
That's really
it.
cool.
Oh, what about this fried chicken you've not taken yet?
You've also not tried it. I'm also gonna order. It's called Kavi.
Kavi Poetry.
Kavi Poetry.
Yeah,
See, you can make beautiful things.
of
right?
course. When you travel, Jasmine, आप वहाँ के local cuisine try करते हो?
मेरा मेन एजेंडा ही जब मैं किसी कंट्री जा रही होती हूँ तो यही होता है कि मैं एक्सप्लोर करूँ वहाँ का कल्चर क्या है, वहाँ का ट्रेडिशन क्या है, फूड क्या है.
Which has been the craziest place that you've been to?
For me, South Africa is my favorite and the craziest vacation.
Yeah,
that I've
and
had.
any place that is strikingly beautiful.
I find Italy very beautiful.
Yeah.
Especially the Tuscan region where they have all the vineyards and then the Amalfi Coast.
So when you were in Kota, Jasmine, did you always like aspire to be an actor?
No. मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि जो लोग टीवी में आते हैं मूवीज में तो वो तो बहुत खूबसूरत गुड लुकिंग वो तो कुछ अलग ही होते हैं एंड आई ऑल माई चाइल्डहुड I grew up with this complex, oh, she's so dark, she's so ugly, she's so skinny. You know, I had only such people, except of course my family, my parents who loved me. I never thought I was pretty enough or good looking enough to make it big or get into all this. पता नहीं पर शायद destiny में था, so I came across opportunities and it somehow worked out for me.
पहला ब्रेक कैसे हुआ आपका?
When I was doing my training in Jaipur at a 5-star hotel, the agency from Delhi was in the lobby. So they saw me and they asked me, you really fit into this category, will you shoot?
Randomly.
Randomly. Most of the things happened like this to me. So I told them, I'm sorry, but I only have an off on Sunday. They said, okay, we will have a shoot on Sunday. For me, 5,000 rupees was my stipend in the hotel. For them, it's a huge campaign. All I asked for is 5,000 rupees. They told me, okay, I went, I shot. And I'm on the hoardings, newspapers. My father takes out a cutting, sends me, and everybody's feeling so happy. I was like, okay, there's something nice. ऐसे मुझे first, मतलब ऐसा कि मैं public eye में आई, वैसा
Wow.
chance हुआ.
It's like a dream break.
And then I got a job in Delhi. After spending a year in Delhi doing modeling, doing a couple of South work and all this, I decided to move to Bombay.
Was it easy?
So one and a half year was difficult for me because I'm not able to figure out why I'm not getting work kind of things. Also, I was young. I didn't understand a lot of things. There was an ad, जिसको audition भी मैंने दिया था. They called me. That month I was due on rent. I had to shoot for something and pay my rent 26,000 rupees. Okay. So now I get an ad. In my wildest dreams, I'm not thinking. For me, it was the 45,000 that they were giving me cash same day after the shoot. I wanted to do it. Half an hour, I don't know why I did it. I understood what they meant. आधे घंटे में मेरे पैसे मिल गए, मुझे rent हो गया, खत्म हो गई बात. No, I think that changed my life because Tashne Ishq or even Colors approached me for their another show before Tashne Ishq came to me through Z. So everybody wanted to cast me. And I was like, okay, one work led to another. But this has happened with me. When I did my first ad in Chennai, that ad led me to a Tamil film.
We saw Traitors. क्या हो रहा है बताओ.
So I was waiting for Traitors only and it's going well. It's very interesting. Then the Punjabi movies thing has been very active for me since last 2-3 years.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's play a fun game. I'm going to ask you some questions. Never have I ever. Okay. And if you have, we take a sip of this drink. So never have I ever stalked my ex on Instagram.
Why would I stalk my exes? I follow them all. The friends, yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever.
I have stalked my ex's current girlfriends.
Never have I ever said I'm on the way when I was still in bed.
I'm never.
Never have I ever lied to a journalist.
I have lied.
Never have I ever snooped through someone's phone.
I have once.
Never have I ever stolen anything.
I have.
Yeah.
As a child.
Never have I ever Googled myself or read the comment section.
कभी कभी रूमर्स क्या चल रही है वो करने के लिए मैं अपना नाम लिख के न्यूज दबा देती हूँ देखने के. रूमर्स ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होती है ना लोगों के लिए.
Never have I ever flirted my way out of a traffic challan.
Never.
Okay, last person you texted.
I think I texted Ali.
A food you secretly hate.
बैंगन का भरता.
One thing you do that Ali hates.
I tend to do overeating sometimes and then I feel very uneasy and pukish and he tell me, Dasmin, I know you like the food but please don't do overeating. You're gonna throw up at home and I do end up doing that.
And what about one thing that Ali does and you hate?
He's a mess creator. If he's sitting, he's eating something, the plate will be there, the packet will be there, the food will be like... These are the things I'm realizing now.
Welcome to living in together. I'm going to give you a few situations. When someone says, आप तो reality shows की drama queen हो.
Who?
Okay, seeing your ex with someone cuter than you at a party. When a troll comments, ये तो बस looks पे चल रही है. When your stylist forgets your outfit and the red carpet starts in 5 minutes. When a fan proposes marriage in DMs with a 3-page letter. When someone says आपको acting से ज़्यादा overacting आती है. When your mom reads your WhatsApp chats by mistake. When your co-star forgets their lines but they blame you for it. Okay. When your crush watches your embarrassing reel.
I'm blush.
When the paps catch you outside the gym on a no makeup, bad hair day. Yeah, but one thing we really love about you is your spirit of being yourself.
Thank you.
Which we've seen through reality shows. When we are talking to you in person, it is amazing. And I want to know when you are with your friends, all by yourself, no guards on. क्या करना पसंद है? कहाँ जाना पसंद है? Are there any particular places that it's your favorite hangout?
For me, favorite place of hangout will always be my home, and I want to just chill with my friends, have nice coffee, play some games. That is my comfort zone.
Let's talk about your love life too.
Okay.
We've been seeing you and Ali everywhere and
Yes.
clearly enjoying all the content that you guys put up. And you guys have moved in now in your new home.
Yes.
Yeah, how's it going?
It's nice
Yeah.
because both of us have always discussed everything as friends and taken our decisions like this. We see each other for lunch, we see each
Really?
other for like an evening
Yeah.
snack, and then it's touch wood. Till now, it's going good. We are happy and peaceful.
Right. But you know, we live in India where even now, if before getting married, people move in together, eyebrows are raised.
Yeah.
But you've been very unapologetic about it.
मैं अपने आप को यही question करती हूँ that whenever I cared in my life about the society or what the people are going to say, I have
Yeah.
always taken my own decisions. And my parents, touchwood, are two amazing souls who understand
Yeah.
from where their daughter comes, what her journey is, emotional, mental, how she needs a space, how, you know, for me it's going to be difficult to be living with somebody. And same is with Ali.
Live in first and marriage later. And is that something that you would recommend also to people?
We don't want to get into this situation tomorrow. Let's get married, live together, and we end up hating each other. तो हमारी जो दोस्ती है उसका best अभी यही time है उसको test करने का. Let's try to live in together.
Yeah.
Okay, and see, because everybody around us is complaining, हाँ इसीलिए separation हो गया, रहने के बाद अलग होता है, रहने के बाद अलग होता है, ठीक है, we'll try living together and see if we still maintain a peace, harmony and a healthy relationship. We're going to take next step because it's a difficult thing. It's not just an emotion that drives any relationship. It's conscious effort. I think it's a very practical decision to
Yeah.
take क्योंकि
Yeah.
शादी के बाद जहाँ इतनी फैमिलीज इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, टुमारो थिंग्स सिर्फ दो लोग हर्ट नहीं होते, बहुत सारे लोग हर्ट होते हैं, आपकी फैमिलीज, रिलेटिव्स, इतना ड्रामा होता है एंड इट्स सो मच अगलीनेस.
Yeah.
सो व्हाई टू गो थ्रू ऑल दिस
Yeah.
एंड लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट
Yeah.
एंड रियल.
Yeah.
देख लेते हैं, वर्क होता है तो ओके, नहीं होता है तो फिर एटलीस्ट देयर वोंट बी एनी हेट्रेड, रिग्रेट्स और गिल्ट्स.
पर ऐसा सोचा है कि इतने सालों बाद हम करेंगे शादी या कुछ ऐसा कोई टाइम लिमिट रखा
नहीं
है या
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वी टेक एज इट कम्स
Yeah.
एंड एज आई ऑलवेज से आवर मेन मोटिव एंड फोकस इज आवर करियर्स.
Right.
And हमारी companionship is giving us all the peace and happiness to focus on our careers also, and we are happy as it comes.
And seeing you both together is giving us also a lot of happiness. I would like to know, where do you and Ali like to hang out? What are your favorite places?
There's this place called Farmers Cafe in Bandra. Both of us just love going there. And then there's a cafe in Andheri जहाँ कली को French onion soup बहुत पसंद है, केसरा
अच्छा.
सरा. So these are the two places where, you know, if we have to go out for a casual evening and all, we'll go. Internationally, Ali loves Spanish food, Spanish women, and Spain in general.
And
him-
Punjabi women also, right?
yeah, वो तो है ही, वो तो है ही. But so for Ali, it's always Spain, and for me, I'm more of laid back. I like culture, I like history, you know, beautiful things to see. So for me, it's more Italy, and for him, it's Spain. So I can go to Italy a million times and never be satisfied, and he can go to Spain a million times and never be satisfied. These are favorite spots.
Wow. और अभी बारिश का टाइम है, so do you guys like to go out for drives and
The day monsoon started, we went to Kamshit for a
It's a
monsoon
beautiful
getaway.
place, yeah.
Now we're planning one more next week to Ali's villa in Karjat. He has a beautiful holiday home there. So yes, we love traveling during monsoon.
you mentioned about being with Ali for 8 years. How do you usually like to celebrate milestones?
We always love traveling if our you know, schedule allows us, and otherwise we are house party people. We love, like Ali would love to cook, I would love to do house snacks, this that, all hosting. I love being a good host, call all our close friends and have chilled out evenings. That I think happens twice or thrice in a week at our place.
Twice or thrice?
Yeah, we just love having our friends over, playing games, watching a film, chilling. That's it.
Okay, and I hope you really enjoyed our
I
today's
did.
spread and the drink.
I'm definitely coming here.
Thank you so much, Jasmine. It's been wonderful chatting with you, sharing this meal with you और आपकी stories जानकर बहुत मजा
Thank
आया.
you. It was pleasure being on it. Thank you.
Thank you. So what are you waiting for? Go discover and immerse yourself in the hidden jewels of Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Goa. Each city has its own hidden jewels waiting to be discovered. In Mumbai alone, we found amazing drinks served at places like Eka, the Bombay Canteen, Coco, PCO and many more. Each offering something unique, each telling its own story. Because beauty isn't bound by place, it lives in every detail, every sip, every story. Until next time, it's me Kamya Jani signing off.